In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Chrome DevTools for the perfect performance monitoring and debugging setup. So we're going to go in this profiles and we're going to click on add new profile. And I'm just going to click on without an account and I'm going to give it a name of perf testing, let's say. Click on done. So this is a brand new profile created by Chrome, which you can use for performance testing. You'll see that I already have a perf profile that I use for auditing, and you're going to create a new one. This helps you keep all your DevTool changes saved in a different profile and allows you to not interfere any of the Chrome extensions that you might install on your daily browser profile. Like I have a other different profile that I just use for daily browsing. I have extensions there, but we don't want those extensions to interfere with our performance testing. That's why I like to create a different separate profile for this. So now we're going to go to, let's say, spotify.com, just an example, and I'm going to click on inspect. Now we see this network panel and all of this data. This can be more helpful. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the settings toggle and we're going to click enable on everything. We're going to check all these checkboxes and you're going to notice that suddenly you see more information in your requests. This is going to be really helpful. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this first header column and we're going to enable domain. Gonna enable priority, and then we're gonna enable waterfall here, this one. So now you're gonna see more data here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So when I refresh this page now, you're going to see all this data coming through. You're gonna see screenshots. You're gonna see the waterfall chart here. You can also click on this request and go to timings to see this bigger. And we're gonna see the initiator, the priority here, the timings, and all that good stuff. And we can save this in this profile. So even if I close this profile and I go back to it again, and I'm just gonna click OK. Now when I inspect my DevTools, you're gonna see that all these options are here. When I refresh the page, you're gonna see that all these options are already here, which is nice. So whenever you do auditing or testing for your website, you'll always have these options handy, which gives you more data. And for the performance panel, most of the stuff that's there is already set up correctly. You don't need to do anything there. For the sources, I like to enable overrides. So I'm just going to click on overrides, select the folder, just going to set up a new folder here, for example. It doesn't really matter. Just going to create this, select this, and give permissions to Chrome. Now you can make edits on the page. Here, you can name this, save your changes in the overrides, and this will work. I showed this in the last video I made. So now you're going to have a perfect performance panel set up in DevTools, and your network panel is also going to be set up correctly. And this is it. This is how you do it. Awesome. See you in the next video.